Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be talk about presentation skill. Let us introduce myself and my partner. I am Muhammad Farizi and my partner is Muhammad Soleh Aditya, Azin Septiana, and Rafli Farizi. And the first speaker is Soleh.
Okay, presentation. Presentation is an activity of speaking in front of a crowd or a form of communication. Presentation is the topic of submitting activities, options, or information to others. The first thing we should know in a presentation is what is the purpose of your presentation message. In presenting something, of course, there must be a meaning or message for the audience. And you can choose what the meaning or end result of your presentation will be for the audience: to inform, to entertain, to persuade, or to inspire. Tips for effective presentation. The first, analyze your audience. In preparing a presentation, you must be learning about your audience. It's a good idea to get some information about your audience background, values, and interests, so that you understand what your audience might expect from your presentation. The point of your presentation is to meet the needs of the audience. The needs of the audience is a key factor that you must meet. If this factor is missed, then your presentation goals may not be achieved. The second, select a topic. Design content creatively, then engage your audience attention. Choosing topic that interests both your audience and you. This interesting topic is very important in attracting the audience interest to pay attention. See and hear what is being presented. So the message that may be conveyed in the presentation material can be conveyed. Next goes to goes to Farizi.
Number three, define the objective of the presentation. In a presentation, of course, the most important thing is the message and purpose. You want to convey to the audience. So write the purpose of the presentation in the one short statement. The goal needs to be define exactly what you want your audience to learn from your presentation. The message of purpose of the presentation are the thing you should create first. Without the message and purpose of the presentation, there will be no information that you can convert to your audience. What you want your audience to know is based on the purpose and message. The success of failure of delivering a message and purpose to your audience depends on the message and purpose itself. And number four is going to speaker is by Andy.
Number 4. Prepare the body of the presentation. The body of the presentation is where you present your ideas. To present your idea confidently, you need to illustrate and support it. Use a presentation structure that makes it easy for your audience to follow what you have to say. As you build on those ideas and content, think about creating activities that involve logically conveying your message, followed by supporting data including stories to help keep your audience on track and paying attention to your presentation. And remember, when you're planning the content of your presentation, it's important to provide variety. Listener might quickly get bored with a lot of facts, or they may get tired of listening to story after story.
Next.
Number five, prepare the introduction and closing. In preparing a presentation introduction, it is very important to prepare an interesting and creative introduction, because this is very important in attracting the attention of the audience and building their interest to see, pay attention, and listen to our presentation. Ways that can be done are like making jokes or creative introduction or also sharing personal experience. At the end the presentation, you must strengthen the idea that presentation, because not all audience will remember all the content of your presentation. Therefore, make an idea that is short, concise, and easy to remember. Next, number 6, roughly.
Effective delivery the presentation. Most people spend hours preparing a presentation, but very little time practicing it. Practice is obviously very important to deliver an effective presentation. You can start by practicing your grammar or your presentation style. In essence, you have to be confident and enthusiastic so, so that the audience can see, pay attention, and hear what you have to say.
Thank you for listening for the audience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.